AFAM, akala ng iba jackpot kapag may foreigner na jowa. Pero teka lang, love ba o transaction? Sa bawat kwento ng Filipina at AFAM, may halong kilig, may halong duda, at may halong chismis. This is not just romance. This is about economics, culture, and survival.
Being married to a Filipina compared to being married to an American woman. The differences are as far as the East is to the West.
Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Okay, let's go.
AFAM once meant a foreigner assigned in Manila, referring to American servicemen stationed in Subic and Clark. Ngayon, it's a pop culture label for Western men dating a Filipina. Some see it as aspiration, others as exploitation. The rise of marriages between a Filipina and a foreigner, over 6,800 in 2022 alone, proves that this is not just a simple stereotype. It's a social phenomenon that exposes the realities of love, money, and migration.
Ang gwapo, ang tangos ng ilong. Totoo ba to? Baka scammer. Nag-ask po ako sa kanya na mag-video call kami. Nang nakita
Hey buddy, just a quick one. If you like it here, please subscribe and follow me for more videos.
Kapag naririnig ang salitang AFAM, automatic ang image ng isang puti na may kasamang Filipina. Sa kanto, sa mall, sa beach, lahat may sariling haka-haka. Some Filipinas are drawn to foreigners dahil sa promise of stability, financial support, at minsan, escape mula sa hirap ng buhay dito sa Pinas. Pero hindi lang pera ang usapan, may mga AFAM na genuinely na fall in love with Filipinas dahil sa warmth, family-oriented culture, at natural charm. Kung tutuusin, maraming foreigners ang nahuhulog sa Filipina dahil iba ang dynamics ng relationships dito sa atin. Western men often admire how Filipinas value family, loyalty, at care. Para sa kanila, parang refreshing ang ganitong klaseng devotion. Pero hindi rin mawawala ang mga kwento ng transactional love. Relationships built on remittances, allowances, at sponsorship. May mga nagsasabing it's situational. Kung gaano kahirap ang ekonomiya, mas nagiging tempting ang AFAM relationship. Pero may iba rin na nagsasabing it's personal. Kung paano mag-handle ng relationship ang bawat tao. Kaya minsan, nagiging blurred ang line between genuine love and survival strategy. Hindi rin mawawala ang chismis factor. Kapag may Filipina na may AFAM, agad na may label, gold digger, social climber, o lucky girl. Pero ang hindi nakikita ng marami ay ang complexity ng ganitong relasyon. Some last for decades, with families built across continents. Others end quickly, leaving scars of betrayal or financial loss. Yung iba umaabot pa kay Tulfo. At kung titingnan natin, both sides can take advantage. May Filipinas na ginagamit lang ang AFAM for easy money. May AFAM din na nag-e-exploit ang Filipina dahil sa power imbalance. Kaya ang tanong, love ba ito o negosyo lang? Hindi simple ang sagot, kasi depende sa tao, depende sa sitwasyon, depende sa intensyon. Final message. Ang kwento ng AFAM relationships ay hindi lang tungkol sa romance. It's about economics, culture, at survival. A Filipina seek foreigners for stability, while foreigners seek Filipina for warmth and loyalty. Pero sa gitna ng lahat, may mga relasyon na genuine at may mga relasyon na transactional. Love can cross borders. Ang pera, kultura, at expectations ay laging kasama sa equation. Kaya kung may AFAM relationship, dapat malinaw ano ang intensyon. Kung love, dapat mutual. Kung pera, dapat honest. At the end of the day, AFAM is more than a label. It's a how Filipinos navigate love, survival, and global connections. Ang tunay na tanong, are we chasing love Or are we chasing opportunity? That's the thought na dapat bitbitin ng bawat isa, AFAM man o Pinoy.
Babe, I have to tell you something. Will you marry me?
And I wanna hold you just like before. And maybe someday
Sana hindi siya magbago. Mamahalin niya po akong yung totoo hanggang dulo.
You can always trust me forever. Nothing can take you away from me. You, the children, I love you too.
I just wanna love you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.